In this video, I will show you how to multiply entire column with particular number. So I have a salary list and I need to multiply this entire column with this increment 1.2. So select it. Now select your column. Select entire column. Right click on it. Then paste special. Select this cell. Copy it. Now select. Copy this number. Now select entire column. Right click on it. Paste special. So we can see this is the number. Now if you will multiply, click on OK. So this will be the new number and new salary with increment. So this is the method you can add, multiply or subtract in entire column. Thanks for watching.